Legal pot could soon come to New York if the governor acts on the state health department's new report.
It's recommending that the state allow anyone aged 21 or older to buy recreational marijuana. The maximum amount per purchase would be 1 ounce. The state would also expunge the records of people who've been convicted of marijuana-related offenses. Mike Bunt has more on the move to legalize pot.
According to the New York State Commissioner of Health, the time is right to legalize marijuana.
The pros outweigh the cons, and that the report recommends that a regulated, legal marijuana program be available to adults in the state of New York.
Among the biggest pros, according to state officials, more tax revenue. They say legal marijuana sales could generate anywhere from $248 to $677 million in annual state and local tax revenue. And because the marijuana market would be regulated, there would be fewer negative consequences in terms of public health and incarceration. Monroe County Sheriff Todd Baxter isn't so sure.
I think if you legalize a substance that creates a different mindset in people, you know, whether it's alcohol, drugs, or marijuana, there's going to be repercussions on the other end. You know, statistically speaking, we're going to have more people using that substance, which obviously causes more problems for us when people are not using all their faculties to make decisions.
And some people who are in the front lines of the opioid crisis wonder if legal pot would just make matters worse.
We still believe there's more harm than good involved in what it can do for the opioid crisis. Not saying it can't be some help, but as far as the negatives still outweigh the positives.
We're still trying to realize the situation, the problem of that epidemic. You know, we're still trying to get it under control. And then throwing another substance in there just seems to be throwing some fuel on the fire.
But the study says a regulated marijuana program should promote marijuana as a pain treatment alternative to opioids. Right now, 9 other states in Washington, D.C. allow recreational marijuana. New York State could soon join them. While skeptical of some of the report's findings, Sheriff Baxter says it's up to the state to decide whether or not marijuana should be legal and that his department will enforce whatever laws are in place. Adam?
Thanks, Mike. If you're interested to see more of the reports in all this, we have a link to that on our website, rochesterfirst.com.